Do you enjoy birthday parties?
Or maybe you want to talk about celebrations in English.
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about a birthday party and celebrating with friends.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve listening and speaking naturally.
Let's get started. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Today, we're talking about birthday parties.
You'll hear useful English expressions people use during celebrations.
Let's begin.
Hi, Paul.
Hi, Emily.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
How old are you today?
I'm 28.
Are you having a good time?
Yes, I am.
That's great.
I'm happy my friends are here.
You have a beautiful birthday cake.
Thank you.
Did you make it yourself?
No, my sister made it.
It looks delicious.
Thank you for coming.
You're welcome.
Would you like some cake?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Did you bring a gift?
Of course.
Thank you very much.
I hope you like it.
I'm sure I will.
Open it.
Wow, it's a book.
Do you like it?
I love it.
I'm glad. Have you ever had a funny birthday experience?
Yes.
What happened?
My friends sang happy birthday at the wrong table in a restaurant.
Really?
Yes.
What happened next?
A stranger got a free birthday song.
Huh,
Everyone laughed.
that's funny.
What about you?
I once forgot my own birthday party.
No way.
Yes,
How is that possible?
I was busy watching a movie.
Haha,
My friends had to call me.
that's hilarious.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed today's English conversation.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
Just keep listening and practicing every day.
Little by little, your English will improve.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Take care.